What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here on the Blackphillbuilt YouTube channel. So if you guys been following the channel for a while, you know I have a really bad addiction to looking for deals, and I found another deal. So I went and picked up this car Monday night. It's now Wednesday, and it's at my house. I just left the shop. I decided to leave early today because I wanted to see the car in the daytime. Bought it at night, and I want to clean it up and make a solid plan of what I'm going to do with the car. So once you see it, it'll be blacked out in the thumbnail, so y'all really don't know unless you keep watching. Once you see it, I will start talking about what I plan to do with it. I'll come up with a couple ideas, and I'll leave it up to you guys to decide what I should do with it. So stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I bought an Integra this time, so I don't know exactly what the hell I'm gonna do with this car yet. It does have a rod knock from hell. The bottom end is completely gone. I have a let me move this shit into the sunlight for y'all. All right, so I know in the sunlight now it looks like a hot pile of shit, but we're gonna get to making this car look better. So I picked this car up in Charlotte. It is an all original GSR. It has the original GSR motor, transmission, everything in the wheels. The only thing that's aftermarket right now is the header, the exhaust, and the suspension on it. So it does have name brand suspension on it. It has a set of K-Sport coilovers on it, and it has like a $600 exhaust from Apex. It's a World Sport, super quiet. It pronounces the damn rod knock even more. And it has, I think, an eBay header. It might be something like legit. Like I said, first time I've seen a car in the sunlight. I bought it in the dark. It's got a Jasmine header on it, which is like some Chinese 4-to-1 header. Well, not Chinese, my bad. Japanese 4-to-1 header. As you can see, and it's got some eBay intake on it. But it's got a brand new battery. Everything needs to be cleaned up in the car. I bought a B20 bottom end, but I also found the GSR crank. So I'm more leaning towards putting this back as all original GSR. I have a set of stock pistons and rods at the shop that are not egg-shaped, because I'm sure these rods are egg-shaped. So I could do a completely rebuilt GSR setup, or I can do a B20 VTEC setup and sell a rebuilt GSR bottom end and recoup some of the money that I got from putting the B20 VTEC in there. So my end goal with the car is to possibly give it away, do my first giveaway on the channel. Working on getting some more merchandise up. Robert at Trophy Case right now is designing the new shirt that I should be releasing in this video. I know I said I was going to release a shirt in the last video, but I think he went on vacation or something like that, and I didn't get the render back in time. So he's working on it right now. So I should have it by the time I upload this video. So I will probably post it in between this clip somewhere. And you guys can go to the link down in the description below and purchase a shirt, one of the new shirts. But goal is to have this car done within the next 3 weeks. So I'm planning on wrapping it. I'm going to do the motor. The interior is fairly clean. It's just got the normal tear in the driver's seat. Passenger seat's pretty good. It's got back seats. It's got trunk interior. It's got carpet. It's got it's gonna have a radio. It's got dash door panels, all that shit. Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh dang it! Gonna need the key. There it goes. Got trunk interior. It's a little dirty right now. Plan is to clean it up here in like the next 10 minutes. I bought a new pressure washer for the house because I took one from the house brought to the shop, clean it up, get it to looking somewhat decent and less piece of shit-ish, and we start going from there. So I'm gonna leave it up to you guys in the comment section. Should I do an all original GSR, rebuild that bottom end and sell it, or should I do a B20 VTEC? And the car will probably make about 205 on a B20 with the B20 VTEC. The bottom end for the B20 VTEC is high compression, or I could keep the GSR, do an all original GSR, or do a turbo kit. So if you guys want a turbo car, I have about everything to do a turbo car besides an intercooler and a turbo, which I can get like soon as shit. It'll be all VS Racing stuff, except for a turbo. Well, yeah, I can do a 6262 on this and it'll be fine. The car will be tuned, you know, HTS. It'll probably have a different exhaust if I do turbo it, because it's a 2.5 inch. I'll probably do a 3 inch with a different tip, and some bitch will shoot fire like nobody's business, like Satan's fucking taking a shit. And yeah, I mean, you guys let me know what you want in the comment section below. I know some of you guys are more LS fans, but maybe I could persuade you guys to like a Honda. So you'll have something that you can daily drive, be a street car. You can go out, do pulls in it, take it to your local meet, you know, do little damn in-car videos of it or whatnot, whatever you want. But pretty much here she is, 2000 GSR. All right, so I just got done washing this thing. Engine bay cleaned up pretty good, but the body is definitely going to need some paint. Well, maybe if it wasn't like peeling here, and I think somebody had like a accident here, and there's like a little bit of Bondo here with like a skim coat, and it's like starting to peel up now. So I'm definitely just gonna get the car painted instead of wrap, just to have a better quality car than so yeah, like I said before, had a phone call. Gonna just get the car painted. Like I showed some of the body stuff over here, I could get away with just sanding this down and then getting it wrapped, but that I could not get away with. So I'm gonna contact a friend who owes me a favor for a long time. I was gonna, what the hell is this, a magnet? I guess I'm gonna contact a friend that owed me a favor for about 2 years now, and I'm gonna cash in that favor on this car. So hopefully you guys will see a way better version when it's done. I might delete the ABS, or I might just leave it. It's kind of bulky and ugly, and I fucking hate it. So I may end up deleting that. Might change the intake manifold, and I may change the header too, like I said also before. But I hope you guys are excited and interested in this giveaway, and I hope you follow the process of me building this car. I haven't owned an Integra in a while. I haven't owned a B series in a while, so it should be fun, and a quick little, you know, car to get around with. Could be at somebody at just giveaway, you need a car. I mean, it's a perfect little car for you to drive around. So if there is no, if it's not turboed, it'll have AC, power steering, cruise control, all the comfort amenities that a normal, you know, car would have. But if it is turboed, I would do it on a full exhaust just to make it easier on whoever's going to drive it. Maybe you got kids, you don't put kids in the car, you can do that. And I'm gonna just try to do it the best I can with what I can to a good quality standard that I know that I would drive. I mean, I know y'all see me drive some shit like Heavy Flow, but it'll be nowhere near Heavy Flow. It'll probably be like on Blueberry level or even higher. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, share, subscribe. Leave comments in the comment section on whether you want, or whether you would be interested in a turbo car or an all motor car, or straight up just an original Integra, or you want a turbo GSR or what, because this will all determine what we're going to be doing with this build and how it'll be presented as a giveaway.